Hello, I want to do a quick video on some of the things I have going on in my backyard. I have a kind of a combination of some of these permaculture and food growing ideas going on, and I just wanted to show those off. Enjoy.
As you can see, I have some corn here. This is sweet corn. The package said sweet white corn. And this is all organic. I don't add any chemicals to my food. It's nice to be able to have that option to control what's going into your food. No offense to anyone that decides to do that. Here's my grapevines. On the right, I have a red flame seedless, and on the left, under that cover that you can't see, I have a Thompson seedless. I don't know if you can see that, 2 trunks. Here I have a watermelon. And this is substantial cover for a 2-year vine. I have some potatoes back there. These are zucchinis, onions, lettuce. Got a lot of stuff going on right here. A little overgrown. These are my lantana bushes. I love these things because they attract a ton of pollinators. Lots of butterflies and bees. There's my orange tree. Some cantaloupes back there. A little rose bush that I just stuck in the ground and it grew. Here's another lantana, red variety, orange variety, yellow variety. I have a lime tree here, a rosemary bush, a lot of stuff going on. This yellow variety is gorgeous. I did a video about how to prune and trim lantana bushes. You can check out if you're interested. I just love how many flowers they have. They're really good at attracting pollinators from a long ways away. I think bees can see them or something. I don't really know how that works, but we get a lot of pollinators because of these things. And they're just gorgeous to look at. Look at those flowers. This is an orange-red variety. They grow so well in Arizona too. Almost can't help but stare at it. And here's a red variety of lantana. Gorgeous. Happy bushes. Back there you can kind of see my grapevines a little bit. Orange tree again. I just love being back here. And I have some weeds coming up. I don't really mind. It kind of keeps the soil from drying out. I just pull them back if they're inhibiting the growth of something. Here's my lemon tree. It's growing like crazy. This is a cherry tomato. Lantana bush again. Just can't help but stare at those flowers. Back here I have some cantaloupe and honeydew. These are my new cuttings of grapevine that I snipped off of the red flame seedless. Put them back here against the wall to see if they take off, and they did. This is only like 6 months of growth, so I'm happy about that. I made the mistake of digging one of them up and trying to transplant because I had another one, and it looks like it's wilting. I'm not going to show it. It's just sad. There's some corn back there. I had a few extra kernels I just kind of tossed in the dirt to see what happened. Quick walk back. My lettuce is a little overgrown. Makes it a little spicy. I like it that way. And once again, my grapevine. I love this thing. I have a grapefruit tree in the back there, if you're wondering what that citrus tree was. Oop, lizard. Hey, buddy. And that's a watermelon vine popping out here. Got a lot of stuff growing here. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.